Hello and welcome to this tropical day at the Leicester Customer and Training Centre. I'm Sam Matthews, I'm the product specialist for mini hydraulic excavators, and we've got a selection of machines here today to show you. With a couple of new products coming out this year, we've got a complete next generation family of machines from 301.5 right up, well, from 1 right up to 10 tons. So before we had E2 D series machines. It was really complicated and a bit messy, but now it's really simple. You get high quality, high performance and high tech machines across the board. You can go from our baby 301.5 machine all the way up to the biggest of our mini excavators and get the same cab feel no matter which model we're in. You get the same monitors, the same dashboard, the same seat, and the same joysticks in all of them, giving you a consistent and comfortable experience with all these same contact points for the operator. This is the same design language and feel, even past our range, up into the next generation EXD machines too. On our smaller models, where the hydraulic valve is mounted down in the depths of the machine, we have a tilting cab or canopy. Which makes accessing these parts as easy as possible. If you take a cab, your operator environment is sealed and pressurized with air conditioning as an option, even on our smallest cab machine, bringing a level of comfort never seen before in this size class. Step into your cab and you'll see one of two monitors. So the standard next generation monitor that we have in here, or the touchscreen monitor that's an optional extra on the bigger machines. So in here, you customize and control the machine and also get to access some industry first features. So one of those is stick steer, where you can use your left hand joystick to control the travel of the machine, just like on a skid steer loader. And your right joystick can either control the blade or the implements where the missing features have gone onto your thumb wheels. So what this does is it eliminates leaning over in really uncomfortable positions, tracking across site for long periods, or holding your feet in awkward positions on the pedals. It's also really good in these smaller cabs where you might have big boots and not much space. So with stick steer and cruise control, you can lean back, relax, and when you get to where you want to be on site, you'll be refreshed and ready to do the work. So don't worry, it's really easy to toggle on or off with this little button here on my left hand joystick, and you can still use the travel levers and pedals if you want. So another thing you can do in the display is control the speed and response of the hydraulics to tailor the machine's behaviour to your operation or even a specific application. Through the display we can adjust the speed and sensitivity of the implements with operator settings, so you can tailor the machine to fit your operating style or even specific applications. Our two-stage hydraulic quick couplers let you quickly and safely swap between work tools. We offer a huge range of work tools for these machines. One of the more complex offerings is the tilt rotator. This is our TR6 unit here that's fitted to our 5-ton 305 CR next generation excavator. Now Saran's going to cover this work tool later in his section. I don't want to steal his thunder, but what I do want to show you is how well this integrates with our next generation display. Look in here. So without any additional aftermarket displays cluttering up your cab, you get the tilt and rotate angles that this work tool gives you right there on the display. Easy to see. Now this level of work tool integration is something that's standard across this entire range of machines. Something else that's common across all of the models is lower total ownership cost than all the outgoing models. And how do we do this? It's through common service parts like engine oil and air filters, through longer service intervals, and also through these easy to access ground level service points. So our next gen lineup of excavators is complete, but what's next? So this 308 CR is a development machine for one of the big new releases that we're doing this year. Various sensors on the machine allow you to set boundaries that the machine will not pass through. So this is E-fence, and if I set my fence here, then the machine will not pass through it no matter how hard I try. And you can use this to protect roadways, utilities and structures on site. Another thing that you can do with these sensors is indicate. So you can set a dig depth and you can indicate on screen, as you can see here, whether you're above or below it. So right now I'm below. If I move up, you can see I'm above. So if I get it to that depth that I've set and then pull a trench, it allows me to pull to the same depth and get to the right depth more efficiently than before. Now I think that's all we've got time for. So I hope you enjoyed that quick blast through a few of the mini excavator models and features for 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Contact your Cat dealer for any more details. And now back to Malaga, where I wish I was.